with the underside of it. So we've stripped all the parts off and cleaned, and that's already evident in our video prior to me talking. But now we're putting on the what we call bed liner undercoating. It's a tinted color that we're putting in black, and we spray it on just like a bed liner, but I think it's a better quality than what you might get with your pickup. And when we're all done, and you'll see in this video, it really looks good. It seals up the bottom of the car, and it looks good. And that's two things that I'm looking for in this restoration on this Charger. It's a gray car with black underneath, and we're going to really get it shiny with all the rest of the parts that are there as we get them painted in the paint booth and start putting this car back together. I'm Barry Wilson with Wilson Auto Repair. Subscribe, go to my website, wilsonauto.com. We appreciate your support, and I hope I'm helping you.